Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the best products on the market so you can make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into something every vehicle owner needs: engine oil.
And not just any engine oil, but what we consider to be the best for the Xtreme 160R and many other heavy-duty engines out there. Introducing the Shell Rotella T4 Triple Protection Conventional 15W-40 Diesel Engine Oil. This isn't your average engine oil. It's formulated to deliver top-notch performance and protection under the most severe conditions.
With millions of miles of real-world testing under its belt,
the Shell Rotella T4 is designed to keep engines cleaner and running smoother over the oil drain interval.
Plus, it's formulated with an exclusive low-ash formulation, which helps protect exhaust catalysts and particulate filters found in modern low-emission vehicles. But what really sets this oil apart is its wear performance. In industry wear tests, it delivered an average of 50% more wear protection than required.
That's peace of mind knowing your engine is well protected,
whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling tough terrain. Now, let's talk about versatility.
Whether you're driving a diesel pickup truck, tractor, or tractor-trailer, the Shell Rotella T4 is up for the job.
It's an excellent choice for a wide range of heavy-duty engine applications, providing enhanced protection against viscosity loss due to shear and high-temperature oxidation. And here's the best part. It's backed by industry standards, meeting or exceeding API CK4, CJ4, C4+, C4, CH4, ASEA E9, and various OEM specifications. So you can trust that you're getting a quality product that's been rigorously tested and proven. So there you have it, folks.
The Shell Rotella T4 Triple Protection Conventional 15W-40 Diesel Engine Oil. If you want the best for your Xtreme 160R or any heavy-duty engine, look no further.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.
Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more from Product Critique.